Hey guys, so we're out here moving the linear back and we got a minute to, I don't know, we were thinking we'd go through my toolbox, kind of show you what a tater farmer keeps on his pickup, kind of go through. What I got is a Montezuma shop box. I like it because you can hold everything you need. You got slide outs. Kind of just give you a look and an idea what a farmer keeps in their toolbox. Up here I got all my impact rated sockets, and these are just John Deere chrome sockets, and then all my wrenches up top. Underneath I made some boxes and duct taped them so they're a little waterproof or water resistant. Some clip openers, all my screwdrivers, a punch set. You got to keep a punch set. These little things, these little vice grips, they've saved me a few times. I'm trying to just think of one-off stuff that not everybody else keeps in their box. Some scissors, Allen wrenches, air chuck, more Allen wrenches, some hose cutters, and then in here I got all my extension bits for reaching into undo bolts inside tractors and things. I got about 8 crescent wrenches. You never know when you're gonna need a crescent. All different sizes, baby ones. Hammers. What is that? A 2-pound sledge. And then a soft blow for when you don't want to mar things up. I don't even know. A vice grip. And then I move into my electrical section. I got some zip ties, some strippers, some more strippers. Got these in there better than, I don't know if anybody else uses these, but I can never get the right amount of length on when I'm stripping wire, and this just makes it easy. You just stick the wire in there and pull it, and it strips it perfect every time. So that's kind of for my electrical. A beet seed rain gauge you stick out in the field, and that'll tell you how much water you're putting down when the pivot goes over. A hitch pin. You never know when you need one of those. John Deere glass cleaner. Then I got all my electrical tape, extra razors for a razor blade, all sorts of tape measures, my grease gun, chuck, a level, even though we don't use that a whole lot. That's just kind of sticks in there. Little baby tape measure, grinder blades, flapper disc for cleaning, some pins, some extra punches. Yeah. And then one of these bolt trays. I don't know if a lot of people carry those, but I sure do, and it helps you from losing bolts and things in the field. That's kind of what I keep in my Montezuma. I got my other silver box on the back for most of my straps and things like that. Thank you guys for watching our video. We're gonna try to be posting more here as these taters start getting bigger and we start getting closer to harvest. We're in southern Idaho. I don't know if a lot of people see the tater industry, but we're here to show it. And we're excited to start bringing you guys into the life that we have and showing you what we farm and how it gets done.